Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this 102613 hot film air mass meter. So if you are getting this, you can get it in the diesel, petrol, whatever it is. This is the 2-litre petrol BMW 320i 2018 model. So if you're getting this and you are getting drivetrain issue and it's going into limp mode, you're not having power, then it goes back to this here. It'll be that sensor there, which what I would do, like I've said in a few other videos as well, check the wiring to it, make sure it's fitted, it's connected up properly. If not, obviously connect it up and just reset the do a full scan and reset it. Once you've done that, take it for a drive, see what happens. Obviously if it doesn't get better, you would need to get the same. I would get an OEM. So I would recommend getting an OEM sensor, genuine, original, on eBay, online, anywhere. It's just a case of plug and play, really. There's nothing much you can do. You can reset the values of it on here, and that should help. But then it's just a case of just plug it in, drive it, should resolve. But yeah, please do check the wiring on here because they do cut, as you can appreciate. Look at the way this has been tucked in this way, stretching this here. Just people for you, how they build them in first place.